Healthy Flavors. Today we are going to do recipe of Paneer Lababdar, which is again a North Indian dish. So let's get started. We will see the ingredients.
Yeah, the ingredients are fresh bay leaves, dry spices,
Yani?
dalchini, cinnamon. This is star anise, some pepper, corn peppers, cardamom. That's it. This is cumin seeds, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, some butter, garam masala, and cashew nuts. These are the spices.
Main
ingredients are chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, chopped green chilies, little bit of ginger, and cottage cheese. So let's get started. You have to put some oil in the pan. So we are putting some cumin seeds into this. All dry spices, fresh bay leaves.
You can also use the dry one.
Yeah, we can also use the dry one. And now we'll add onions.
It should be golden brown or this?
No, just a little bit of sauteing of onions. So it's done. Now we'll add these cut tomatoes, ginger, green chilies all together, and again saute it.
How long will it take?
It will take 3 to 4 minutes to get softened. As soon as tomatoes get softened, we will grind them up. Yes. We can add salt in this. What we can do is we can add cashews also into this.
What about the bay leaf? It will be...
No, we have to take them out. We can't grind them.
You will add the paste?
Yes.
And add some water?
Yeah, I'll take some water. Now we'll add
All the spices.
all the spices.
Turmeric powder.
Yes. Red chili powder. Coriander powder.
Next, garam masala.
Garam masala.
What next?
That's it. It's getting ready. Now we can add paneer cubes. And we'll crush kasuri methi. You can add a little bit of water.
Yeah.
Now it's ready. We can switch off the flame. And garnish it with coriander leaves. You can have this paneer lababdar with either with chapati, paratha, or rice.
Goes with rice?
Yes, it goes very well with rice.
Paneer Lababdar is ready. You can enjoy it with chapati, parathas and rice.
Please subscribe to our channel Healthy Flavors. Be healthy, be beautiful.